Group is your group. No ifs, ands, or buts. You're not switching. Okay, I will. If I can't get through the rules, we'll use the books. My other classes were various by flying. No, okay. So, each station that requires, let's get all eyes over here, please. Alright, thank you, Alfonso. Thank you, Jesus. I'm missing a couple people. Got a whole column of people looking over here. I'm missing a couple sets of eyes. Okay, so, little pieces of paper. Only take one. I'm almost out of these completely, and I want to make sure we have enough for the groups. At each station, there's 9 stations today. We're not going to get through all 9 stations. Melissa, where should we be looking? Thank you. Alex. At each station, you'll find a sheet of paper like this. What you're going to do is you're going to read the paper, and then you're going to use the appropriate section in your packet and answer those questions. So, Station 3, of course, you're looking at Station 3's work. At every station where there's little... Thank you. At every station where there's little pieces of paper, there's also one of these scales. What you can do is after you dip the piece of paper into solution, do you see it turns a color? You can use that color and compare it to the scale. You can put it on there and say, okay, I think this, well, this looks really brown. I see the brown on the scale is a 12. So, you can use this scale. A lot of the questions are asking about the scale. So, we've got a variety of stations here. This one, you're mixing a strong acid and a strong base. Strong acid, strong base, you had some homework questions on those. The thing is, when you mix a strong acid and a strong base, you get water and table salt. Yes, the table salt will be dissolved, but if you boil the water off, you get table salt. So you're doing that. We've got citric acid, which is in your oranges here. Here you're testing how acidic variety of solutions are. This yellow one is Gatorade. The label's gone for it. I haven't had time to make a new label. So I do not have any more of the strips that go with... If you guys want to sit down and be writing sentences, you can be writing sentences. So, at this station, I already have the piece of paper. It says dip the piece of paper in. I already have dipped the pieces of paper in because I don't have enough pieces of paper left. So, this is the station where I had to be a little more creative. Use the color that the paper is already showing, and you can compare it to the scale that's here. So, this station, we want to be especially careful with these chemicals. They're not toxic, but you just want to be careful. Read the directions carefully. I already had 2 people misread the directions, and I had to clean up